Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some basic problems for adding and or subtracting fraction problems. Now obviously the first problem we have here is going to be a quantitative comparison question. Now clearly this is going to be a question that is labeled easy. This is something that you should be able to do very fast. And honestly it does not require you to reach for the on-screen calculator. Everything here can be actually done by mental math, but let's just go ahead and take a look at this. So quantity A over here is 1 and 2/3 plus 1 and 1/2. We know that 2/3 is 0.666, but easily we can just say, okay, well 1 and 2/3 is just 1.6, and we're adding 1 and 1/2, which is just 1.5. Go ahead and add that together. You have 3.1. Now, obviously, you know this is going to be greater than 3.1 because this is actually 2/3 is 0.666 and so on. However, I don't think that's necessary until we go ahead and quickly try to solve for quantity B. Now we have 4 and 1/3. 1/3 is just 0.333, so that's going to be just 0.43 minus 1.7. 4.3 minus 1.7 is 2.6. So as you can see clearly, right? Clearly, 3.1 is bigger than 2.6. We don't have to take these the actual numbers into account here for the hundreds place and thousands place because the two answer choices are significantly different, and clearly we can see that answer choice A is correct. Quantity A is greater. Let's go ahead and take a look at another question. GRE Workbook by ArgoPrep. This book is your comprehensive study guide for the GRE exam. Our workbook comes equipped with a comprehensive manual, 3 full-length practice tests, 2 are included in the book and 1 online, and of course video explanations for each of our online test questions. You can visit us at www.argoprep.com to take 1 full-length free GRE exam that comes included with this workbook. So in this question over here, this is a basic problem-solving question for the GRE exam. Once again, this is going to be labeled as an easy question. So clearly, we see here that we have a bunch of different denominators here. I have a 2, I have 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's really what I'm interested in right now because we have another 3, 4, 5, 6 repeating here, and all these other things repeat, right? We have a 4 here, 5, 6, 5, 6, 6 here. So clearly we can easily combine all of the common denominators. So let's go ahead and first start off with all of the 3's. So I have 1/3, 2/3. Do I have any other fractions with a denominator of 3? No, I do not. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 over 3 is just 1. Okay, fantastic. I'll just go ahead and put that over here. So 1 plus, let's go ahead and start with the next fraction that has a denominator of 4. So I have 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 3/4, and I do not have any other 4. So I have 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's going to be 6 over 4, and 6 over 4, as you know, is just going to be what? 4 goes into 6 once, and you have a 2 over 4 remaining, which reduces down to 1/2. So once again, if you're getting stuck, right, that's just very basic arithmetic calculations. This should be done in a matter of seconds. So let's go ahead and move on over here. Now we have, let's go and do the 5's. So we have 1 over 5, we have 2 over 5, we have 3 over 5, and we have 4 over 5. Okay, fantastic. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 over 5 is just 2. Okay, cool. Finally, well, not finally, but now we can do the 6's. So we have 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is going to be 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So that's going to be 15 over 6. And now that, of course, also reduces down into 2.5, right? 6 goes into 15 2 times, and then you have 3 over 6 remaining, which is just 1/2. So it's 2.5 plus the 1/2 that's remaining. Don't forget about that. 1/2 is just 0.5. And now just go ahead and solve that. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5. Plus 0.5 is 5, plus 2.5 is going to be 7.5, and clearly the answer choice is going to be answer choice C. So once again, both of these questions are very straightforward. These are both easy types of problems. In the future videos, of course, we're going to be going on and looking at a much more challenging set of problems. Interested in watching our GRE video lectures? Go ahead and go over to our website at www.argoprep.com. ArgoPrep has created a comprehensive review of the GRE exam just for you. Now, ArgoPrep offers a range of premium resources from video lectures to full-length practice tests, as well as practice questions. Best of all of our questions come equipped with full, detailed video explanations, and of course, we have a live chat support feature. So go ahead and go over to our website and start chatting with us today.